Day 5 of my vacation in Mallorca, in Cala Bona, and believe it or not, it is my first swim today in the sea, and it is 5:20 p.m. so very late. Today was definitely an actual vacation. I have really rest, but also I did water aerobics at 11:30. Then I was chilling in my room, and then I also went for 2 classes, gym circuit at 3 and Tabata at 3:30. So even though I was resting a lot in my room and doing some updates on my social media, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube, I was also chilling and resting a bit, but it was mostly a cloudy day, so I didn't want to travel longer. But now we have a bit of sun back, so I decided to take at least one beach adventure for today, 23rd of April 2025, and day 5 of my vacation. So I came here close to my Sunwing hotel that you can see in the distance, but it's very close, less than 200 meters away from here, as the beach of the hotel, as I mentioned many times, it's not proper. I am going around and finding nice places to swim. Now here it's not uh, the best to get into the water, as there is lots of rocks, but the water is clean and nice, which would be sufficient for a nice swim. And the rocks are very uh, edgy, so I'm using my flip-flops, which might be not a good idea when I go close to the rocks, so I will just leave them behind here. And I have 2 sides to pick from where to go in for a dip. I think I'm gonna choose this one as it looked more deeper. So yeah, it looks a bit deeper. Hopefully it is not so slippery as it looks like. And if you have been watching my adventures, you know that in Sweden I really enjoy going to places like this, but they don't have... Oh, this is so rough here. So rough indeed. This is so edgy. Hopefully I won't get cut on my feet. I really hope not. Okay, and the water seems to be slightly better. And yes, it's a bit deeper here, so I don't see any sea urchins, so that's gonna be cool. And I have been measuring the water in the previous days. It was 20 degrees Celsius, despite the satellite measurement showing 16.6 in Palma. I think it is a lot warmer than that, which I'm gonna prove to you right now. Oh, here it is now, even almost 22, but I'm gonna round up to 21. It's between 21 and 22. So 21 degrees Celsius in the water. That's 1 degree warmer than the air. And now I realize that I forgot to take off my sunglasses. And I'm gonna put them somewhere right here. Hopefully they will survive any sudden wind. And as I was saying, now the sun is out. It was a cloudy day mostly, but in the upcoming days it's going to be a lot more sunnier than today. Yeah, I have 9 more days, actually 10, since I'm going to be here also on the last day as well, until 3 p.m. or something is the flight, so I'm gonna be early riser that day. All right, let's find a nice way in. If there is such in this field. very slippery. But at least the water is clean and nice. And it's very close to the hotel, so I don't need to walk to Cala Milor, 3 kilometers one way. All right, ready for the first swim in the sea today, in the Mediterranean Sea. 21 degrees in the sea, 20 in the air, and sun right now again. So let's go. Ah, beautiful. I just love this type of rocks. It gives really nudist beach feeling indeed. As I have been to some of the nudist beaches that look like this. This can be also a nudist beach as nobody's here, but yeah, we can see there from the Sunwing and the disaster beach with tons of seaweed as it goes towards the path to Cala Bona and the port, and continuing to the beach afterwards. I wanted to go to the beach, but I realized it's not gonna be so pretty. As here the water is a lot cleaner, and I only meant to go in for a dip anyway, so you know what, let's go in for another dip, as why not, and see what is more out there. It's so nice to see clear water underneath. Oh, here it is deeper than me. Alright, let's go back. And I think that's enough for today. Lots of dipping. So thank you so much for watching this episode with me. Greetings from Cala Bona, actually Sunwing, and this wonderful set of rocks. And see you soon again with another beach adventure of the channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.